Handy Chronicles. So today, I got a bunch of different little household projects I'm trying to do. We're starting off with these little, these flower pots. I gotta paint these. So these were originally bronze, and I'm gonna paint them black. The reason I need these is I bought these little fake trees, little fake bushes to go on the front porch, and they look real good. You know, I put them on each side of the door. You know, we got a little black and white theme going. Got a couple little fake bushes here, and then those two go right there. Problem is, the wind is so strong right here, it just blows them down every single day. So, came up with an idea to remedy that. I got these, and I'm gonna take those and put them in there, and then fill it in with these pebbles. These are black polished pebbles. Hopefully to weigh it down. I think each one of these bags is like, I don't know, they're pretty heavy. 30 pounds. 30 pounds. So 30 pounds, put a bag in each, hopefully, maybe a little more, hopefully that'll weigh it down and do the thing. But first, gotta finish painting these. These were originally bronze. So I'm gonna hit it with a couple coats of black, and then we'll be in there. All right, so the pots have dried enough for me to move them. So I went ahead and put them in place, and I filled them up with the black pebbles. So hopefully this creates enough weight to keep them from getting knocked over. I put like 2.5 bags in each one. So that should be like what, 75 pounds. Now if that gets knocked over by the wind, I just don't know what I'm gonna do.